Hey everyone! Today I'll show you how to convert an MP4 video to JPG images. This is perfect if you want to extract frames or create thumbnails from a video. Let's go ahead and get started. First, we're going to use a free tool called VLC, Media Player, which most people already have. If you don't have it yet, just search VLC Download, go to the official site, and install it. Once VLC is open, go to the Tools menu and click on Preferences. Now go to Video Preferences, Filters, and check the box for Scene Video Filter, then hit Save. Next, go to Media. Open File, and select the MP4 video you want to extract images from. Before you hit play, let's configure where VLC will save the images. Go to Tools, Preferences. Click on All Settings at the bottom. Then go to Video, Filters, Scene Filter. Here, set the recording ratio. For example, 50 means it will save one image every 50 frames. And set the directory path where the JPGs will be saved. Click Save, then open your video again and hit Play. VLC will now start saving JPG images from the video into the folder you selected. Once you're done, go back to Preferences and turn off the Scene Video Filter so VLC doesn't keep saving frames every time you play a video. And that's it! You've successfully converted your MP4 into JPG images. If this was helpful, drop a like, hit subscribe, and don't forget to turn on notifications. Any questions? Leave them in the comments and I'll be happy to help.